Hi, my name's Miss Fee and I'm here with Miss Kelly.
Hey.
And I'm going to teach Miss Kelly how to do Chicken Chop Suey. This is a lovely, perfect family dish. It's very healthy, it's quick and easy, and you're going to have a lot of fun learning this. So first of all, we're going to fry off our garlic and ginger, which is here, with our chicken, and Miss Kelly is going to add hot boiling water to our noodles so they can soak. So here we go. Perfect. This dish is very popular with island Pacific families and Māori families, especially in New Zealand. Let's put our ginger and garlic in. Easy as that. Beautiful. So chopping up the vermicilli just makes it easier when you're eating.
So is this something that your family made for you growing up?
Yes. We had it lunch, dinner.
And who taught you to make it?
My mother did actually, and my sister. So they have their versions of doing it, and this is the easiest version I can think of.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So what do they add extra?
So theirs is a lot more like thicker veggies, where I like the little veggies like that.
Okay.
And then they might have cucumber, carrot, and more carrot in there. Now that the chicken's cooked, we're going to add our vermicelli into here, but we're only going to use half that water. So Miss Kelly, if you can do that for me.
Okay.
Here's our chopped up vermicelli. Beautiful. And then we're just going to add the water just enough to just cover our noodles. Now you can see the water, so pour a little bit of that in and just half, yeah. And keep going, Miss Kelly. And when. There we go. Perfect, so put that aside in case we need it for later. We're going to add our soy sauce. We're going to mix that up. And we're going to add our mixed vegetables. And all you're doing is just heating it through. And if you need a bit more water, add a bit more water. If you need a bit more soy sauce, add a bit more soy sauce. So like here, I think we need a bit more soy sauce, Miss Kelly.
No worries, I'll grab some for you. So where are you from, Miss Vic?
I am actually from New Zealand. I was born in New Zealand, but my parents are Niueans, which is a small Pacific island in the middle of the ocean near Tonga and Samoa.
I don't think I've ever heard of that place before.
Well, there's Air New Zealand that leaves once a week. You can catch a plane and take a trip over there. It's very untouched, very beautiful.
I might travel there just for the food.
Sounds good, I'm coming. No, it's changing slowly.
So how do you serve this at home?
Okay, so you can serve this at home with some rice. So if you put some rice on this plate here, we can now dish up. And it's all ready to go. Beautiful, perfect, that is perfect. There we go, we'll put it around there. And there we have Miss Fee's Chicken Chop Suey. Twirl it so that's it.
Okay. Here we go.
Kawilahi. That means thank you.
Amazing, Fee.
Thank you, Miss Kelly.
You do good. Where are you going, superstar?
How